Hi everyone, welcome back to Life or Rainbow. Today is not just another hair video. Today I want to take you a little journey, a story about how I fell in love with tattoos, hairstyle, and how I discovered that hair can speak louder than words. It's all started with a simple question someone asked me one day. If you could design your hairstyle like a canvas, what would you draw? And at first I laughed. Hair is hair, right? We cut it, we color it, straighten it. But then I paused to what if my hair was a canvas? What would I put on it? That night I could not sleep. My brain was bursting with ideas. I imagined a bright red heart curved softly behind my ear, something sweet and loud. At the same time, love that leave on the side of your head. Then I pictured a yellow smiley face, something that says, I am chilled, I am happy, and I don't care what you think. It felt like freedom shaved into every stand, and just like that, I was hooked. The next time I went to the barber, I showed him a sketch I draw like a tattoo but for hair. He raised an eyebrows and said, Are you sure? I said, No, I am not sure, but I am ready. He shaved the side of my head and started working. I closed my eyes, and when he spun that mirror around, I sighed. My first ever hair tattoo. A little white ghost, yahoo, floating smile just behind my temple. It was so clean, so smooth, and in that moment, I felt different, like I was not just wearing a style, I was telling a story. Every few weeks, I went back to try something new. One day, I got black cat stick, mysterious with piercing eyes. People stopped me in the street just to ask that is that real? And I said, it's more than real, it's me. Another day, I felt fierce, dangerous, so I went bold. A cold green snake slithering along the fade. I poured it with sharp green tips in my hair, and I swear to you, when I walked out of that salon, I felt untouchable. And then I realized that is not just about being trendy or cool, it's about expression, about courage, about showing the world who you are before you even say a word. Some days I felt too soft and dreamy, so I got a pastel butterfly tattoo flirting in lavender and sky blue. It felt like peace on my skin. Other day I felt powerful, unstoppable, so I got a silver chain wrapping the back of my neck. It looked like armor but made of hair, but nothing compared to the day I got the blue dragon. It's wrapped across my head like a guardian, fierce, beautiful, mythical. When I looked in the mirror, I did not just see a haircut. I saw someone brave, someone creative, someone who finally stopped hiding their fire. And that's why I'm here. That's why I started Life or Rainbow, not just to share hairstyle but to help you find yours. Because maybe today you are the heart, maybe tomorrow you are the dragon, maybe you are the ghost or the butterfly, but whoever you are, you deserve to be seen. So if you are ever felt like your style was too weird, too bold, too colorful, let me tell you, it's not, it's yours, and that make it perfect. If this story inspire you, leave me a comment and tell me if your hair could tell a story, what would it say? And don't forget, Life or Rainbow is your safe space for self-expression, bold beauty, and unapologetic in creativity. Until next time, stay colorful, stay fearless, and keep writing your story one stand at a time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a big thumb up. Subscribe to Life or Rainbow for more creative hairstyle and stories. Press the bell icon so you can never miss a new upload, and make sure to watch more videos. I have got so much more color, art, and inspiration waiting for you. Thank you so much. Watch till end, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like my video, please share with your friends and family. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.